Hey guys, this is a small tutorial how you can create captions from your audio or video in CapCut.
So what you will do is first go to media, then hit import. Now select your audio or video. Here I'm selecting both an audio and video. Hit open, then drag your video or
Hey
audio
guys,
in the timeline. After that, select your audio or video. Go to the text, select auto captions, select your language, and hit create. There you go. Now, any point in time, you can select your text and edit them as you want. As like in normal text, you can give them effects and all. Same process goes for the audio. You just need to select the audio. I'm going to show that too. Go back to media, select an audio, go to text, select auto captions, select your language, and hit create. See, works for audio too. Thanks for watching.